Are you getting zero views on your TikTok videos and you keep uploading and uploading videos but the views always stay zero? Okay, if this is happening to your account, this is the right video for you because today I'm gonna explain you why this is happening to your account and how you can deal with it. Yo, what's up TikTok creators? Welcome to this new video. This is Radian and welcome to my channel. As I said before, today I'm gonna be talking about why you are getting zero views in your TikTok videos. Okay, there are a couple of reasons why this is happening to your account that I'm going to explain you in a minute, but first I want to talk about how TikTok really works. So as you know guys, you know that TikTok is the most popular social media at the moment and a lot of people are getting famous and rich from TikTok. So you should hurry up and go into TikTok and do the same thing. So when you download the TikTok for the first time and you create an account and you upload a first video, you're absolutely going to get at least 300 views in your first video. This views comes from TikTok because TikTok shares your video to the people in your country and only people in your country watch your video for the first time. For example, when I upload a video from Albania, the first 300 views are going to be only from Albania. TikTok does this because it wants you to give some views, to identify your niche, to help you improve your videos in the future and to make you decide what videos to upload next. The views of the video are still going to be from only a certain country and especially from the country origin that you are living at and you are registered on TikTok or identified on TikTok. You can't get the views from any other countries. For example, if I upload a video from Albania, I'm going to get views only from Albania country. And you can get the views from other countries and worldwide only if your video is getting viral and it gets a lot of likes, a lot of shares and a lot of views. Everyone wants views from the other countries and worldwide to get more audience and more people to watch their videos, but the number one mistake that everyone does is that they use virtual private networks or VPN to change location and upload videos from that locations. So they do apply a VPN on their phones or their computers and they start uploading videos from that location and the views are going to be from that country. This method actually works and I've heard that a lot of people have applied that and have been working, but TikTok doesn't like it and it will ban your account. It will shadow ban your account, and if your account is shadow banned, it will not going to get more views and your videos are going to stay always on zero views. Another reason that TikTok is likely going to ban or shadow ban your account is when you use different phone numbers. I've heard that a lot of people have done this. For example, if I live here in Albania and I want to get views from another country, for example from Germany, and I get a German phone number and I put it in my phone, and if I create an account and start uploading videos, I'm going to get all the views from Germany. And this method actually works and a lot of people have tried this and that have worked for a long time now, but this method is not allowed on TikTok and TikTok is going to immediately detect it and shadow ban your account and your views are going to drop and you are going to get only zero views in your future uploads. Another thing that can land you in zero views is community guidelines. So for example, when you upload a video and you get a community guidelines violation and the video gets removed and after some times the violation or community guideline will remove from your channel and you think everything is okay, but it's not, because TikTok remembers that and it will start to drop your views because of the community guidelines. And if you repeat community guidelines, your account will be shadow banned or get banned permanently and you'll not get views anymore. So you should always take care of community guidelines messages you see on your TikTok. Something else that I really want to talk about is where you upload videos from. So TikTok algorithms are going to always remember the device that you are going to upload videos from. They detect the device type, the running OS, the screen size, the operating system, the place where you are uploading from the phone, from the tablet, from computer or anywhere else. So yeah, TikTok also bans phone. So if your phone gets banned, your views are going to drop, and even if you upload new videos or create a new account and you upload different videos and with different niche or different things, you still are going to get zero views if your phone gets banned. So don't do community guidelines or don't try the methods that I mentioned before, because your phone or your account are going to be banned or shadow banned, and you are going to get always 0 views in your videos. Okay guys, these were some of the reasons why you are getting 0 views on TikTok. I hope you understand and get each of them. You should not apply and you should avoid each of them if you want to build a good audience and healthy audience on TikTok and grow on TikTok as a creator. Okay guys, this was all for today. I hope you liked this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel if you want more content like this, because I'm not going to upload more content about automation scripts and bots on this channel because YouTube don't like them. Please make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next videos. Peace.